ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Hadi maklami kijing syahir thma da kabakuang petrol bom bathang igi kali sarkar hakiri Runar, Menteri Rangba ke jilla ulu ang babaro badan ketikin sangat hakaan. Habe kiran bekla pathai kubor ukon raki sangma ulu ang wat ladadon kijing syahir thma gi pulit kedamla ban syukam klam dala ban pensisha ni syunget bayat hu da manure mano. Shushu konra ulapen pau baka sarkar kolong scam ha ban kem yek badan keti de kidan kam da kisaki ki babiang kumna kijing ring dor ling baka CCTV ne ki video.
There were certain incidents that took place, and the government was firm in ensuring that whatever necessary steps had to be taken were taken to arrest individuals who were involved in certain incidents based on pure evidence and facts, and because of that we did expect that there would be some reaction. So number one, we should be very, very clear that this is a reaction to certain reactions or certain actions that took place. And therefore, we were not surprised as such, but yes, it has been happening very often. But we are very much aware and we are working towards ensuring that none of these incidents should happen. And the police has taken further steps. I don't want to go into details, but we are on the job, and I want to assure the people that the government is taking steps to contain the situation. On the general fact that nobody can take the law in their hands, and the police and the government will go as per the law, and if anybody commits a crime, then the law has procedures to go forward to take action against those people who commit crimes. And hence it's not about any organization or anybody from a particular, this group or that group. It is purely based on crime and purely based on law and purely based on evidence. And that's how we've been moving forward. And that's how we will move forward in the future also. Yeah, of course, these kind of incidents require, again, arrests have to be made based on evidence. We cannot arrest people just because somebody says it is somebody or somebody, gives the names of somebody. It has to be based either on some kind of a CCTV recording or some kind of videos. So we have not been able to collect that. These incidents have been very, very spread out in different corners of the city, and hence it's not always possible to get the recordings and the evidences that are there. So all steps and everything that is done by the government is always based on evidence, and therefore that is what we're basing it on. But if you look at the situations, there's a stray incidents happening in different parts and very, very random, not very organized. So therefore it's not always easy for anybody to collect intel and say that this is going to happen, because these are very, as I said, stray incidents that are happening. And hence, no matter how competent individuals are, these kind of stray incidents sometimes, it's not easy to detect. But as I said, we are on the job, and a lot of work is being put into it. And I am confident that we will be able to put the situation under control. But as I said, for us to jump to conclusions and say that these individuals, without basing it on facts and evidence, would be incorrect. Government cannot go on speculation, or the police cannot act on speculation and on logical kind of a connection and say that, well, this is what is happening. It has to be based on facts and evidence. And hence, as and when the facts and evidence are there, definitely government has taken action in the past and will take action in the future also. In the interest of the law and order situation, it would be not appropriate for me to share intel on those aspects. But as I said, we are on the job, and we are, working overtime, I should say. The police is on the job, and we are very sure that this situation will be contained. I mentioned again that we are on the job, the police is on the job, and we are very sure that the situation will be under control. So I assure the people of the city and the state that government is doing everything in its capacity to ensure that these incidents are controlled and they don't happen in the future.